moaning in my ear.
Much better, much better. He's like, don't take me out there again.
Come on! Come on! Oh. If he books it for shore run, we can't stop him. He has to hop off.
Yeah, here in the water. Come on. Yeah.
You're fine.
Yeah, fine. I didn't know if it was right bareback. I mean, double bareback. So we put two of us on, and he did okay until he got over here, and I went all the way.
Oh! It's a whale song. Whatcha.
I'm sinking right here.
Are you recording it?
Horrible.